Back si Heaven sa school. Excited siya sa PE Friday. First in the school ni Heaven karon today. Okay. PE. Okay. My girl. Go now. Go to your school. Come here this side. Go there. Sige na, go. Walk. Met your teacher. Teacher Gabukan. Miss Gabukan. Met your teacher. Go na. You know already your room. My girl. You're not third room. Third room, babe. No, kuan siya, oy. No. Wala man na siya gisipon. Gisipon ka, be? Excited kay siya. Supposed to be. Balik na mo, ma. Lagi, nag-mourn kay namatay akong brother. Sudden lang gito, ma'am. Gigo lagi ko niya gipapauli. Then na hospital din siya. Board na niya siya permi sa house. Sometimes ano na siya teacher, ano siya pag tantrum. Siguro wala na therapy, wala na kuan. Only pick up sa kuan ni Heaven yung worksheet, makeup. Only okay, they have no PE today. Okay, go to the golf cart, the e-bike, the golf cart, the electric cart, the e-bike cart bin. Seat belt ha. Okay. Nami sa kuan. Jollibee siya. Napagod ang girl. Okay, akong girl. Nag-Jollibee. Celeste. Look at my girl. Very good girl kay siya. Oh, smart akong girl. Smart akong girl. Smart girl. Smart girl. Smart girl. Cutting. Worksheet. Answering the worksheet. Late na siya. Ano? Late na. Last Friday lang siya nag-start.
Hoy, your body is good. Oh no.
Yes, first school of the girl. Yun na kayo na. Seatbelt ha. Celestia seatbelt. Okay. Wait pa ta sa inyong teacher mag-release sa estudyante. Wala pa man nag-dismissal ben sa ilang cons. Wait na lang sa ta ha. Mag-dismiss ang kan next session. Ayan na pag-move. Atubang din please. To granny. Okay, good. Okay. Hindi na talaga kami pwede makapasok sa gate nila. Close na talaga. Oh. Parents outside na lang good. Ebony. Ebony. Katulgon ko man ako girl. Ay. My girl sleepy. Baby girl, my baby girl. Bata na. Get your bag. Get your bag. Get your bag. Ha? Listen to the teacher, ha? Mag-answer sa worksheets. Okay? Go now. There, the other side. The other side. The next. There. Your room. Taon? Only we pick up sa kuan ni Heaven yung worksheet makeup only kay they have no PE today.